Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to grab student data from Pear Assessment using GradeTransferer. So let's get started. There are two different pages where you can grab your student grades. One is the live classboard. In the live classboard, it's important that you are on the card view. And then it's also important to note that the student grades that are going to be grabbed are percents. And on this view, the percents are to 2 decimal places. The other view where you can grab is the Express Grader. On this view, you will also get the percent grabbed, but in this one, it has rounded it to the nearest whole number. Whether you're in the live class board or the Express Grader, the steps to grab are the same. Just go to the extension, click Grab Data, and voila, your student scores have been grabbed along with their names. You can review the summary to make sure that you have the correct information that you want before going to your next gradebook to fill. If you do want to round any of the grades, you can use our feature for that. Or if you want to scale the data so that instead of a percent, you scale it to the raw points, you can use our scaling feature too. There's more for that in our knowledge base. That's all for now. Happy transferring.